My name is Ebonie. I'm the Great Lakes area recruiter for Penske Truck Leasing. I am here at Ohio Technical College today to present 2 awards to 2 wonderful women, one for Women Who Wrench and one for Women Who Weld. Ohio Technical College is one of the schools where we get a lot of folks from. We came back in March when it was Women's Month, and we decided to do an award to represent and to acknowledge some of our top ladies in the industry. So today I came to present 2 awards to those ladies who were chosen, so I had the honor of presenting those awards today. It is very high on our totem pole for making sure that women feel appreciated and represented in the workforce. Some of the things that we've been doing is making sure that women in our workplace feel comfortable and making sure that they have dressing rooms dedicated to them. We have a very big push on diversity right now. We're now fully staffed in our diversity and inclusion group with women and men from Canada to Mexico and to here in the States. So we are trying to make sure that we have women, all genders, all races, everyone represented in our workforce. If you are interested in working for Penske, just go to penske.jobs, and if you search technician, you're able to find, we call it a Tech 3 position. That's our entry-level position. So you can apply there. And what's really cool about right now is we recently opened up a new tech hiring center in the Beechwood area, which Michelle, who was the former Great Lakes area recruiter, is now the supervisor there. And she has a wonderful team that has been trained to identify talent, which, like I said, OTC is one of our top recruiting locations. So you would just apply there and you'd probably get a call from one of them.